In 2026, one thing rules the internet. Video content. Everyone, from small creators to global brands, wants short videos that grab attention fast. But producing and editing that content takes time, unless you use OpusClip AI. Welcome to the Digital Moneymaker. In today's episode, we'll explore exactly how you can turn OpusClip into a powerful income tool this year. By the end of this video, you'll know how freelancers are charging hundreds of dollars for AI-generated clips, and how you can do it too. Section 1. What is OpusClip AI? OpusClip AI is an automated video repurposing platform. It takes long-form content, like podcasts, interviews, or YouTube videos, and instantly turns them into viral shorts, optimized for TikTok Reels and YouTube Shorts. The AI detects engaging moments using speech patterns and viewer emotion cues. Then it automatically adds captions, zooms, and aspect ratios that fit each platform perfectly. Basically, it's like having a pro video editor working for you 24/7 without paying a salary. Section 2. WHY. It's trending in 2026. Video content consumption has grown 300% in the last 2 years. Brands need daily clips. Influencers want to stay relevant, and businesses need ads that convert. That's why AI editors like OpusClip are dominating the market right now. Freelancers offering AI short-form editing services are charging from $50 to $500 per client each month. Imagine having 10 clients paying you $200 a month. That's $2,000 recurring income just using one AI tool. Section 3. How to start earning with OpusClip. Here are 3 ways people are monetizing this tool right now. Freelancing services. Sign up on Fiverr or Upwork and list a gig like turn your long videos into viral shorts with AI. Deliver 10 clips within 24 hours and add a package system. Basic $50. Standard $100. Premium $200. Automation, agency. Build a small team or solo workflow where clients upload videos, gives you process them through OpusClip, gives deliver final clips. You can serve 10 to 20 clients monthly and scale fast. Personal brand growth. Use OpusClip for your own channel. If you already make long-form videos, convert them into daily shorts to gain followers faster. More followers equals brand deals, affiliate income, and ads revenue. Section 4. Realistic earning scenarios. Let's run the numbers. 4 clients times $150 each equals $600 per month. 10 clients times $400 each equals $4,000 per month. Grow your own page and monetize through ads and sponsors equals extra $1,000 plus. And remember, once you set the workflow, most of this is automated. You spend more time getting clients, less time editing. Section 5. Market demand in 2026. Right now, brands don't just want videos, they want speed. Traditional editors take days. AI tools like OpusClip do it in minutes. That makes you valuable because you're selling results plus speed, not just clips. Section 6. Finding clients for OpusClip services. Now that you understand how OpusClip makes money, let's talk about how to get your first paying clients. In 2026, the biggest mistake beginners make is posting a gig and waiting. That doesn't work anymore. Clients want to see proof and speed. Step 1. Create a mini portfolio. Take 2 to 3 public YouTube videos. Run them through OpusClip and make short examples. Upload those clips to your own Google Drive or YouTube playlist. When clients ask for samples, boom, you send them instantly. Step 2. Target the right people. Search podcasters, coaches, speakers, or business YouTubers. Most have long talking head videos, but no time for shorts. Send them a DM. Like, hey name, I turned 20 seconds of your latest video into a viral style short using AI. Want me to send it? That line alone gets huge replies. Because you're offering value first. Step 3. Use Fiverr and Upwork. Smartly. Don't name your gig video editor. Instead, write I will turn your long videos into viral AI shorts within 24 hours. It sounds faster, modern, and solution-driven. Exactly what 2026 clients want. Section 7. How to price your services. Pricing equals your profit engine. Here's a structure that works. Basic package $50, $75. 5 shorts, 15 to 30 seconds each. Standard package $120. $200, 10 shorts plus custom captions. Premium package $300, $500. 20 shorts, plus social media ready formats, plus thumbnail frames. If you deliver fast, less than 24 hours, you can easily charge the upper range because speed is the new currency in 2026. Tip off a monthly. Retainers. One client paying you $400 per month equals guaranteed income without constant hustle. Section 8. How to deliver projects professionally. Clients love organized delivery. Here's a system that makes you look premium. Create a Google Drive folder named client name _ OpusClips _ 2026. Add 3 folders. Inside raw video, processed clips, thumbnails. Include a short text file explaining your process and next steps. Always deliver through Google Drive or Dropbox links. Clean, easy, professional. Pro move: include 1 bonus clip for free. It costs you nothing, but clients feel they got extra value and usually reorder again. Section 9. How to stand out from other freelancers. In 2026, AI tools are everywhere. So the key is to add a human touch. Add a custom intro, outro, logo animation in Canva or use OpusClip's auto caption feature, but review spelling before sending. Include hashtags and titles inside the clip file name for SEO. Remember, clients aren't buying AI. They're buying time plus trust. Deliver on time 3 times, and they'll stay with you for months. Section 10. Marketing your service. Let's talk visibility. Even if you're great at what you do, people need to find you. Create a simple portfolio site on Notion or showing your samples plus pricing. Post your own AI clips on LinkedIn, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts to prove your skill. Join Reddit and Discord groups for podcasters. Offer free demo clips to get reviews. Within a month, you'll have testimonials and repeat clients without spending on ads. Section 11. Time management for max earnings. The goal is not to work harder, but to automate smartly. Use OpusClip for cutting and use Trello or Notion for client management. Batch process videos every 2 days so you deliver fast without burnout. When you treat this as a mini agency instead of a side hustle, income scales fast. Section 12. Automation. The secret sauce. If you really want to scale your OpusClip business in 2026, you can't do everything manually. Automation is your best friend. Step-by-step plan. Collect client videos automatically gives use a shared Google Drive or frame. I/O folder. Batch process gives run all clips through OpusClip at once, while AI renders. You can find new clients. Auto-notify clients gives use tools like Zapier or Notion automations. To send an email when clips are uploaded, it looks professional and saves you hours every week. Remember, the more systems you automate, the more clients you can handle without burnout. Section 13. Creating a mini agency. Once you're getting steady work, build a small team. Step 1. Hire 1 to 2 virtual assistants from Fiverr or online jobs. PH2 handle uploads and thumbnails. Step 2. You remain the quality checker who ensures AI clips look perfect. Step 3. Split profit 70/30. You keep the bigger share while others handle routine work. Now your time frees up to bring more clients instead of editing. That's the real definition of working smart in 2026. Section 14. Passive income setup. Once your system runs smooth, it's time to make money while you sleep. Here's how. Create a digital course. How to start an AI Shorts agency with OpusClip. Sell it on Gumroad or Skillshare for $49, $99. Even 10 sales per month equals extra $500 plus. Affiliate marketing. OpusClip has an affiliate program. Check official site. You earn commission every time someone signs up through your link. Add that link in your YouTube description and bio. Template store. Create Canva, CapCut templates, intro, outro, caption style. Sell them as a ready clip packs. It's pure passive profit. Section 15. Branding yourself as a creator. In 2026, People buy from people, not companies. So, make sure your personal brand looks sharp. Use a consistent profile pic and banner across YouTube, TikTok, Fiverr, and LinkedIn. Add AI video specialist or shorts automation expert in your bio. Post behind-the-scenes clips of your work. It builds trust fast. Even one short post showing your process AI turned this 10-minute video into 3 viral shorts can bring clients overnight. Section 16, Advanced Workflow Hacks. 1. Voiceover enhancement. If clients want better sound, run their clips through Adobe Podcast Enhance free AI tool. To caption style optimization. Upload OpusClip's caption JSON file into CapCut. For bold keyword highlighting. Look super pro. 3. AI-driven hashtags. Use ChatGPT or EO to generate trending hashtags in your niche before uploading. 4. Cloud backup. Keep all projects in Google Drive with proper folder names, client name _month. Saves time when repeat orders come in. Section 17. Scaling beyond freelancing. Once you have steady monthly clients, move into content repurposing agency mode. Offer package deals like 30 shorts per month for $600. YouTube Growth Bundle shorts plus thumbnails plus hashtags for $999. You can outsource most of it while you handle clients and marketing. That's where people start hitting $5,000. $1,000 a month is. Section 18. Bonus. Selling clips to content creators. Go to TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts pages that post viral content. Message them. Hey, I create AI-optimized viral clips. Want exclusive versions of trending videos for your page? You can sell packs of 20 viral-style clips for $150. $150. It's fast cash. It's almost no revisions. Section 19 results you can expect. If you follow the system for 30 to 60 days, 3 to 5 recurring clients paying. $200 is $400 each. $1,500. $2,000 a month. Consistent income and potential passive revenue from courses or affiliate links. That's all achievable, even if you start solo. All you need is consistency and a clear workflow. Section 20. Keeping clients long-term. Most editors lose clients after one project. Big mistake. In 2026, the real money is in repeat business. Here's how you keep them coming back. Follow-up rule. Every Friday, message each client. Hey, name. Just checked your latest video. Want me to clip a new batch for next week? Simple equals repeat work. Loyalty. Offers. After 3 projects, give a thank you discount or add 1 free bonus clip. That $0 gesture earns you hundreds later. Client tracker. Use a Google Sheet or Notion board to track names, rates, dates, and feedback. Professional organization equals instant trust. Section 21. Reinvesting your earnings. When money starts rolling in, don't spend it all on gadgets. Use it to multiply your income. Reinvest plan. 40. Better software paid OpusClip plan. Zapier Pro. 30% ad boosts or Fiverr promotions. 20% savings for tax and gear. 10% learning new AI tools. This balance keeps you growing without burning cash. Section 22. Future trends of AI editing in 2026. AI is moving fast. These trends are shaping the next 12 months. 1. Auto multilingual subtitles gives videos auto-translated for global audiences. 2. Emotion detection. Editing gives AI chooses cuts based on voice emotion. 3. Personalized feed optimization gives AI creates multiple versions per platform. 4. Zero input editing gives upload raw footage, gives GIF Final Clip Plus, hashtags automatically. So, keep learning. The more you adapt, the more you earn. Section 23. Mindset of a digital moneymaker. Tools alone, Danta, make you reach your discipline does. Wake up with a plan. Set weekly targets, clients, and income. Learn at least 1 new AI feature each week. Network with other creators online. Collabs bring big clients. The difference between $500 and $5,000 a month is focus plus consistency. Section 24. Expanding your income streams. Once OpusClip income feels stable, branch out. Offer AI video consulting. Teach others to use OpusClip for $100 an hour. Launch a done-for-you package with captions, plus thumbnails, plus create a mini newsletter sharing AI updates gives build authority. By mid-2026, you could easily run a small six-figure online agency. Section 25. Final words. By OpusClip, AI isn't just a tool. It's a gateway to financial freedom. If you stay consistent, treat clients like partners, and keep learning AI updates, 2026 will be your breakthrough year. Remember, you don't need luck. You need a system. Start today, and your system is already ready. Thanks for watching, Digital Moneymakers. If you found this useful, drop A in the comments and subscribe for more AI earning tutorials every day. 2026 is our year. Let's make money smarter, not harder.